In the first video, we created a simple Gradio app where users can input two numbers, and the app calculates their sum. We imported Gradio using import Gradio as GR and defined a basic function to add two numbers. Then we used Gradio's interface to create an interactive UI where users could input values and get the result. Finally, we launched the app in the browser to see the sum displayed in real time. Now, in this video, we'll create a simple text reversing app. We'll define a function that takes a text input and returns it in reverse order. Using Gradio, we'll set up an interface with a text box for users to enter text and another text box to display the reverse text. Once the app is launched, users can input any text and instantly see the reversed version displayed in real time. Now, let's start building the app. First, we'll change the function from the one we used in the previous app. Instead of add numbers, which added two numbers, we will define a new function called reverse text. This function takes a single input text and turns the reversed version of the text using Python's slicing feature. This simple change allows us to reverse any text entered by the user, which is the core functionality of our new app. Next, we will update the Gradio interface. We will change fn equals add numbers to fn equals reverse text to use our new function for reversing text. Then we will set up the input and output fields with inputs equal gr.textbox, label equal enter text, and outputs gr textbox, label reverse text, which will allow users to enter text and see the reversed result. After running the app, I will enter a text into the input box, click the button, and the reversed version of the text will be displayed in real time. I will then click the Clear button to reset the fields, and the data will be cleared as expected. See you in the next video.